I'm Sam Perks and I'm 20 years old.
At the moment I'm doing the ball walks on the side of the boat. I've learned how to use the tools properly and make them work for you in a way. And I'm proud of how much I've learned in a way as well. Got given a job to do on the boat, and then if we're not sure how to do it, we ask. If we do, we just get on with it. And bits we get stuck on, we ask and they'll come and help us and show us how to do it.
Well, I'm Henry Derwin. I'm 17 years old. I'm on my first year of my apprenticeship here. It's good fun.
Well, today I'm whittling down some of the braces for the capping rails. Basically, quite key to do this due to.
I started in November the 11th in 2012. I come to work 4 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. The project's going to be due to finish in August 2014.
I helped the last shipwright that was here, Richard, on the transom rebuild, which I was really proud of that. It was quite a challenging task. I didn't know a great deal about some of the methods around it, such as templating and then scribing, but when I was with him I learnt it. So.
Something I'm really looking forward to is laying the deck. That's going to be quite a challenge and a really good skill to learn.
I'm Ruben, I'm 17 years of age. I work for Bowlay as an apprentice. I'm in my first year. This is where I work. It's where, say if I'm working on a bit of wood which needs to go in the boat, I won't work in the boat because I'm restricted of space. I'm really keen about boats as it is outside of work, so it'll be a real achievement to see her finished.
Yeah, I've enjoyed the project a lot, learning about how it is to be an apprentice.
I've learned a lot from them and I love the way they build the boat. I've just enjoyed this Bowlay. They've been brilliant.
It was fun learning about the history of Bowlay and meeting new people who's working there.